Peeps! Busch Gardens Williamsburg recently sent out a new guest survey exploring some potential rides and enhancements coming to the park. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know we covered the last survey, which features some new ride ideas and some enhancements previously, and we'll link to that at the end of this video. In today's update, we're going to talk about the 5 new potential ride ideas or enhancements that are mentioned in the recent survey, and there are some big ones. There's a return of a fan favorite, some stuff that fans have been asking for a while, and potentially an entirely new coaster. So let's dive into them now. First up is the possible return of Corkscrew Hill, but not as you remember it. The survey describes a new, fully immersive, motion-based attraction that continues the original Corkscrew Hill story. Guests would be transported into a mystical Irish village plagued by supernatural forces, riding through an enchanted forest on the backs of galloping horses and soaring griffins, encountering magical creatures, and ultimately facing an evil witch. The ride would feature wraparound visuals, dynamic motion, and thematic special effects for a modern, story-driven experience. Pantheon could finally be getting the theming fans have been asking for since day one. While the coaster is thrilling, when it opened in 2022 with very little theming or narrative, fans were a bit disappointed. Now this survey outlines a full Roman-style enhancement, including crumbling ruins, tunnels, fog effects, and towering columns placed along the ride course and in the queue-in station. These upgrades would give Pantheon the mythological presence its name promises and align it more closely with the immersive environments Busch Gardens is now known for. Another longtime coaster might be getting a fresh layer of storytelling. The proposal for Apollo's Chariot includes new Roman theming, featuring marble archways, sculpted deities, and a dramatic dark tunnel designed like a collapsed aqueduct. The train would plunge into shadow before bursting back into sunlight, adding a narrative punch to the classic airtime focus layout. One of the most intriguing ideas from the survey is a brand new surf coaster. The attraction would feature dynamic motion seats and give riders the feeling of carving through ocean waves. With smooth launches, twisting turns, and open air movement, the ride promises a completely new sensation compared to the rest of the park's lineup. And finally, Verbolten could also be in line for a major storytelling upgrade. While the core layout would stay the same, the concept includes a new narrative, fresh visual effects, and enhanced theming to make the ride feel faster, darker, and more immersive. Think of it as a cinematic reimagining of the Black Forest journey with updated pacing and new surprises throughout. Now again, these are just survey concepts, so some of them may come to fruition, none of them may come to fruition, but the fact that Busch Gardens is exploring fan feedback or guest feedback is at least indicative of the fact that they're considering some of these ideas, and we may see some big changes coming to the park in the next few years. If even a few of these ideas come to fruition, then I think we were in for an exciting few years at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. I know me personally, Corkscrew Hill's cool and all, and I know a lot of fans love that, but I'm actually excited about some of the re-theme ideas coming to Apollo's Chariot and especially Pantheon, because I think there's a lot of potential for that ride. So which of these concepts would you like to see happen? Let us know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, give us a thumbs up on this video. It lets us know that you like this kind of news and rumor content. And if you want to see it when it comes out, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified when it happens. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.